ATV. Let the wild run free.
What's up, everybody? Back here with another Helion 10 video. Helion 10, however you want to say it. And I got the GoPro Hero 13 on there, and I want to record. The last couple of videos I recorded with the Hero 13, I had the sharpness set on high and the denoise set on high. And from my research, I realized that they say if you want to do better stuff in post-production, you have to have the high, or the sharpness and the denoise both set on low. So we're going to roll with that. I'm out here at the Big 10 curve. I've made a video about this place before. It's a railroad track with some old cars off to the side. Kind of a neat little sight to see. So, okay, let's get the GoPro going here. GoPro, start recording. Very nice. All right, recording on the drone. So, yeah, got a LiPo battery on here, 8,000 milliamp, fully charged. Let's see how good and far we can go with this thing for a while. It's pretty calm today. Not a whole lot of wind, so it should be a great flight. Food off. Like I said before, when I'm going out to a destination that's a little ways away, try to keep my throttle a little lower than when I'm coming back. Oh, got a train on the Big 10 curve. Well, let me gradually creep up there. I don't want to get anywhere close to the locomotives. Let me put it in position hold for a second here. Now I'm contemplating trying to catch it again. I caught it the other day, but it's a hard drop, so I'm gonna bring it over here and analyze and see if I can't catch this bad boy. Let's see. I've seen guys do it. It's not the smartest thing to do. I wouldn't recommend it. If I don't feel like it's gonna happen, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, I knew I could get it. It takes a little doing, but I can get it. Whew. Calm down the heart rate. Okay. Whew. All right, guys, that was a fun one. Thanks for watching. Fly high, fly safe, fly low, kiss that ground, and don't let it get to your nerves too much. Peace.